have that big announcement today. That's scary, but that was when I knew I kind of had to do it. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and all right, I've been on the fence about this. Been answering a lot of questions, but I just wanted to let you guys know, and I know we have a lot of brand new subscribers who are very brand new to Python. So the whole point of this channel is that if I were to start over, or that's not accurate, this is the channel that I wish existed when I was learning, that I could go and just find the pinpoint question that I had and then go on and solve the problem that I had and be able to come back and not having to look through videos. So I've added a Patreon, and you guys have been super awesome with the likes and the subscribes and the shares. So what I'm announcing, the big announcement today, is I've gone ahead and started putting all these videos together as a book. So if you guys have any interest, and chapter 1 is almost done, it needs some tweaking. It's all put together, and it's basically pulled from lectures, presentations, teaching in class, pulling from the videos, and put into text form with images, texts, and even the videos, the links to the videos. So if that is something that you are interested in, please go down in the description and pull up the Patreon, and I would love sharing this with you guys chapter by chapter. So if you guys join the Patreon account, I will start sharing with you guys the chapters as they come, as they get done. So my plan is to have this all wrapped up by the fall, and then once the book is done, I'll put this into a web page form, because I've been getting a lot more questions about that, because some people learn that way. So I want to begin to support those people as well. So the goal was originally with this to go after the people that learn like me, but now I want to start helping everybody, because especially with everything going on now, everybody's at home. So just wanted to have that big announcement today. That's scary, but that was when I knew I kind of had to do it. So thank you always for this support. You guys hit a record. We hit a record yesterday, 21.2 hours of watch time, getting closer and closer to that 4,000. But I just want to let you guys know this is scary, but we'll get through it together. So if you're interested, please visit Patreon and the link down below, and can't wait to see where this goes. But as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.